Hi guys, welcome to MomZ and let's make some tasty, healthy appetizer called cucumber tuna rolls. This recipe is perfect for your diet. Let's make it. I have here some celery and carrots, sliced cream cheese, avocado, spring onion and some regular onions, 3 cans drained tuna, and I will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, other onions, and feel free to use any veggies you want for your tuna filling. Season it with salt and pepper according to your taste. Mix it and set aside. For our cucumber, let's slice off a little bit from end. Peel it. Cut in half to make it easier to work with. Cut it thin enough to roll. Lay the sliced cucumber on a cutting board to assemble. Spread a layer of tuna mixture. Layered some avocado or any vegetable that you like. Add some carrots, celery and cream cheese. Let's roll it. Secure with a toothpick and slice it. You can enjoy it right away or chill it. These tiny cucumber rolls is perfect for your lunch, snack, and a great appetizer for a party. And for the middle part of the cucumber that we sliced, just add the tuna filling and vegetable on top. Now you have a cucumber tuna bites. Enjoy this no-cook meal. Easy, healthy, and delicious recipe that's perfect for your diet. Thanks for watching.